everything into one big video. Okay, so now here's the software. So first we need to import the files. During IHG there will be some folder like this AY16 something. Oh, no. Okay, nice. So we have a lot of footage here. So the first thing is to import. I'm finding some video. Where the video? Where the video? Everything is photo. Wow, no video. Where is that? Activities. Okay, so I'll start using this one. This is DP. Okay, let's use it. So first I copy this to this. This is how I import the video.
I think you import some.
Yeah. So now I want to introduce some terms. So footage. This one is the original video. They are not edited, so they are usually with the file name MTS for the video cam or MOV for DSLR. So clip is a segment of a footage. Yeah. So for example, we have this is a footage. Then the footage will be one segment, consecutive segment of the footage. Okay. Yeah. So this is clip, and sequence is all the list of clips. Okay. So what we should do is to make a sequence of clips. So now we have a lot of, here are the footage. Now I make it bigger. I move it here so that it is more organized. Now I create new sequence. I use this one. Later I will tell a bit about this. Now have a sequence. Okay. Now we have a lot of footage. Let's choose.
How high is it? This place is creepy. How high is it? This place is creepy.
Okay, I don't like this video, so
Someone is so good at this video.
Who's it?
I don't know, man. Jesus.
Who is it?
Just keep this. Who is it? I like this.
that's why I like this one. I like this part.
Sweet Chong, man.
I like this part. I will use this button to mark in, and I can mark out here. So now I choose the
What button?
mark in and mark out. We can press I to mark in and O.
That's quite strange. You know it's I. You want to take him as your vice here.
Okay. Now we chosen here already. Of course, we can change this to
Personally
like, move it a bit.
Wow.
Like,
Even
Okay.
you like both of us aren't even
Now
personally
I
trained.
drag from here to here.
He got trained before us.
Okay. So this is a clip. Okay. If I there are two buttons here. If I drag this, then
Where is it?
only video will be selected. If I drag here, then only audio will be selected. Okay. Yes. So now, okay, we have a clip here. Let's play. Okay. Add some other
Wow,
clip.
shit.
Okay, for example, I like this video.
After this, there's a hot
Okay, I like this part.
the curve.
Let's zoom in. Okay, so now we have a sequence of two clips. I can use this to selection to change the length of the clip. And yeah. Okay, now we have a sequence of two clips. Okay. Yeah, by doing so we can keep continuing and add more. Yeah. Now you still see then there will be some layers here. Okay, some track. There are some track. There are video track. And audio track. Okay. So for example, you see here, this is V1, V2, V3. Audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. So it works if you use Photoshop before, then it is similar to layers. Yeah. So the second layer will be on top of the first layer. For example, if I do this, then okay, from this part, this will be changed to the, because this is on top of this one. So yeah, it will be like this. And let's do this so that you can see the effect. Okay, so the second layer will be on top of the first layer, and the third track will be on top of the second track. Okay. It's similar to audio, but for audio, the order that doesn't matter. So this for audio, video. Okay, some of the two things which are very common in video editing is transition and effect. So transition is between two. This one is between two consecutive clips. Effect is for the whole clip. Okay, let's I want to give you some example. For example, transition, I use deep to wide, for example. The effect can be found here, this tab. For example, I use deep to wide. When I drag it here, yeah, you see it is between the two clips. Then you can see the difference. Yeah, this is deep to wide.
Why is it smaller now? Cause
Okay, because I changed the scale. Okay, this is transition for video. For audio, we also have transition.
no, but mine around 19 now.
For example, I can add
I'm pretty sure you did not because it was that
exponential
3 for since yeah, I will never forget that page.
to here. This is audio transition. You can see now. Take note the audio.
Where is she now?
Yeah, it will be like that. So this is
Everyone will
transition.
put their
The most basic transition is
The last
for
one, the last
video
one 俊杰还是有那个
transition. The basic thing are it to black, it
以前也是
to white.
的，
It to white you saw just now and cross this. So most likely we only use these three video transitions. The reason because yeah, this is the most simple thing and it looks professional. If you use some crazy transition, the video will look very kiddie, very childish. Yeah, and I have to note that no transition is a very good transition.
Yes.
We don't use transition. For audio, we have exponential phase and constant gain. Okay, up to you. You can use it and see the difference between these two. Okay, so this is transition. Now I want to talk about the effect. So just now transition is between two consecutive clips. Now effect is for the whole clip. Oh, it's more this one. Okay. This one, for example, I want to make it grayscale. I open effect and I use this effect. Okay, when I press here, you see it applies to the whole video.
Easy.
When you press this,
Easy.
you click effect controls, you see it is here. Okay, now I can change the saturation to 0 to make it grayscale. So this is one example of video effect. Okay, can change the brightness, contrast, also. But later I'll talk about the color. Okay, press delete to delete the. You can play with this. Okay, I can press this to hide the effect and press again to show. Can do a lot of things. For example, I want to replace the color of this guy, the color, the orange. I use the color replace. Now for example, I want to change this one to blue. I choose this one, now it is blue, but let's increase the similarity. Okay, it doesn't work very well, but we need to tweak a bit. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. Okay, let's forget this. Okay, so this is effect and transitions. What else? Okay, let's talk about. Okay, after you are done, you can export it. Okay, I save first. Export media. And now format is 8264. This is the best format so far. Preset, use this one, high quality 1080p HD. And then okay, you choose the output file here. For example, this one. Then I press export. Okay, now this is done. Yeah, you can see it. Let's switch here. Let's stop. this is the output. This is the exported video. So this is the most basic things of Adobe Premiere Pro. Any questions so far? Okay.
How do
So
you like remove audio? Just remove the like if one just remove the audio.
okay, if you want to remove the audio, what do this one?
Yeah. Just delete.
If I delete, then the video will delete it also. So
Silent.
no. Okay. So I right click here, unlink. Then now the two things are not linked already, and I can delete this. Okay. One more thing is we can press this one, mute track. The whole track will be muted. The whole track. This is very useful. Now you don't see anything. Okay. This is solo. Okay, you can play with this and you understand what is solo. Okay. Okay, so now I wanna talk about the procedure, like from top, from the beginning to the end, when we make a video product. So let's take IHG opening video for example. Okay. First of all, in semester 2 we want to make the opening video for IHG. So the first thing we need to select the good footages. We're doing this by